Alright friends, I'm going to do a quick short today, show you some stuff I just bought from my vendor, my recycler. We were able to save a couple Model M keyboards, modular, missing a space bar. This one's got a cut wire, that one's good over there. Got a bunch of these Tektronix devices, and the reason I got these is because they all have this beautiful ceramic chip inside, and most of them, some of them have two. So we got a couple nice vintage computers. Not sure what this thing is exactly yet. A couple newer computers. Whole bunch of Gameboys. Nice iPods. Some DS's. And some beautiful boards that I gotta go through. We also got this gorgeous single board computer out of a Sun. So that was pretty nice. And a bunch of gold recovery too. Don't forget to like and subscribe.